I'm Dirk Burrowes of Classic Drive. We're back with Dave DiMuzio, director of the Audrain Auto Museum. Dave's going to tell us about this beautiful Alfa 6C. Dave, thanks for joining us, and wow, what a car.
Wow, yeah, wow is right. So it's really probably my favorite car in the collection. We acquired it in 2014, just before the museum opened, and we loved it so much we actually put the silhouette
right there,
into our logo. So great car, really representative of the best of the six-cylinder Alfa Romeos, late 30s, 39, 2.5 liter, six-cylinder, high performance, all aluminum, Superleggero body, done by the touring coachwork company in Milan.
Ah.
Really great. You know, the lines, call it streamlined Art Deco. It has that very modern appearance of design in the late 30s, mid to late 30s. It's right-hand drive. First owner being French. We should walk around and I can show you the engine compartment, but the lines are absolutely classic.
Absolutely. I mean, it was really what defined these lines. This car defined lines that many other cars really copied, I think.
Yeah, it's absolutely true. Take a look at the engine.
Yeah. So it's a double overhead cam.
Yeah.
100-mile-an-hour car, right?
It is.
Yeah, I mean, that was something. I know people take that for granted because a Camry can do that, but these days. But back then, 40 miles an hour was top speed in most cars. Yeah.
So, truly a high-performance car of its day.
Absolutely perfect. Was this restored here in this country, or was it restored in Italy?
Restored in Italy. Had been restored and shown before we bought it. So this is basically the condition we acquired it in. We've done some mechanicals. We love running it, so it's driven fairly frequently and enjoyed.
It's a beauty, boy. I mean, it's as beautiful underneath as it is outside.
Yeah,
though, really.
I mean, we take great pride in keeping the cars detailed well, including the engine compartments.
Absolutely. Well, it's
ready for show and ready to drive.
All aluminum body, a lightweight, so probably a pretty fast car. 4-speed, isn't this?
Yes.
Yeah. And I guess only 13 of these were made, right?
Yes. Yeah. So the touring coachwork company in Milan only did 13 in this body style of the 2,500 made. So fairly rare and somewhat very modern and almost exotic body style for its day.
Well, this is as much a supercar as anything we'd call a supercar in today's day.
You're spot on. This was a supercar of its day.
Absolutely. Well, terrific. Well, thanks for showing this one to us, Dave. This is just fantastic.
Well, you're welcome. Enjoy.
We'll be back to look at some other cars. Thanks for joining us.